This is just your normal routine military mission into an 11-year-old kid's bedroom. We have routes that are supposed to be enemy territory. Oh! Oh! Military resistance! Oh! They're throwing pencils at us! Turn on the blue light! Ooh! Come on. Activation! Hallelujah! Okay, they went away. This is one creeped out room. I must have that car. I need that car. Need it. Ooh. This might come in handy. People, this is a real blade. And this is not my blade, this is my sister's blade. They stole it. And now, I'm gonna make them pay. Oh. Look how long this thing is. This one big blade and heavy. Golly. Okay, mark out that idea. We're entering the most dangerous room in this house. The bathroom. This is one crazy room. I'm watching you. I'm watching you good. Got that, punk? Got it? Good. Oh! What is that? It's a head! Okay. Stay here. Be right back. Okay. I killed him. Vicious raccoons. This is Patrick Smith signing off.